Dear students, good afternoon. Today I am going to take a class on the topic maxima and minima. In this particular chapter, I am going to solve few very important questions in the exercise 6.5 as well as miscellaneous exercise. All are descriptive problems. These problems are very important for the examination point of view, and as well as a little there is a difficulties are there, so carefully understand the problem and go through the videos in details and understand the concept behind the problems, big concept behind the solving the problem. Okay, so today's first problem is, the question is radius of the right circular cylinder, okay, of greatest curved surface. Very important, you have to find the greatest curved surface, greatest curved surface area, which can be inscribed, that is, the cylinder is inscribed in a cone, in a given cone. Cone is given. When cone is given means is which can be inscribed in a given cone is half of that of the cone. Means when the suppose this is the cylinder inscribed of a given cone, and given cone means its height is given, its radius of the base, this is the radius of the base, OC, is also given. Okay, it also given. Now you are to show that the curved surface area. What is the curved surface area? Cylinder का जो curved surface होता है, this is the curve, that area, that is not this area or that area. To find the curved surface area, cylinder का जो curved part होती है उसका area, that area will be maximum when the question demand is when radius of the right circular cylinder is equal to half of the radius of the cone. That means if suppose this is your, from here to here, this is your radius of the cylinder and this is what OC. Okay, you are to showing that OF, this part, is equal to half of what? OC. Half of what? OC. If OC equal to, suppose X, I'm sorry, is suppose OC equal to, suppose R, and OF equal to, suppose X, you have to show that X is equal to what? R by 2, or you can show that R is equal to what? Twice X. When the cylinder will have greatest, that is greatest curved surface, जब सिलेंडर का कर्व सरफेस सबसे ज़्यादा होगा इस टाइम पे रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ द रेडियस ऑफ द कोन होगा. ये आप लोगों को शो करना है. ठीक है. नाउ सी व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी ड्रॉ दिस पर्टिकुलर diagram. It is important. First we draw a cone with height OA equal to what? OA equal to what? H. Height is equal to OA equal to what? H. And then radius of the base of the cone I am taking as OC equal to what? R. And suppose that radius of the cylinder whatever drawn inside the cone is OF, and which is written as, suppose, X. Okay, be the radius of the base of the cylinder which is inscribed in the cone, which is inscribed in the cone. After drawing all these things, if you see in the diagram, what you see, this is a OAC is one triangle and FEC are another triangle. Both the triangle are similar triangle. Both the triangle are similar triangle. You got in school, what is the property of similar triangle? This triangle OSC is similar to triangle FEC. Triangle OSC is similar to triangle FEC. When both are similar, then what will happen? OA divided by FE is equal to OC divided by what? FC. Okay, from this big triangle, this OA is with ratio with what? FE, and this OC is ratio with what? FC. this is I am writing this property. These two triangles are, this is the symbol of similar triangle. Both the triangle are similar, therefore this their side, corresponding sides will be in the ratios. And OA equal to, we have taken H and we do not know FE. This is the height of the, FE means what? You can consider the FE means height of the cylinder, and OC is equal to radius of the base of the cone, and FC means what? Very important, FC. This FC is nothing but OC minus OF. OC minus OF. What is OC? OC equal to R and OF equal to what? We already suppose that OF is equal to what? X. Okay. From here, what will be FE? You see, implies FE equal to, you can cross multiplying, you will get H into R minus X divided by what? R. You just calculate, okay? This is your FE, and this FE is nothing but height of the cylinder, height of the, this length and that length, height of the cylinder inscribed in the cone. Okay. Now you need what? That is curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder? We know that what is the surface area. Total surface area is means what? This circular part plus curved surface. Here on the demand is only curved surface area. Okay. Now, if I suppose that let S be the curved surface area of the cylinder, suppose that this is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Therefore, what is S? We know that curved surface area is what? 2 pi RH. 2 pi R. But here R means what? Radius of the base of the cylinder. Here radius of the base of the cylinder is what? OF. And OF is equal to what? X. So here 2 pi R. R के जगह में क्या होगा? X होगा. Radius के जगह में क्या होगा? X होगा. Into H. H means what? Height of the cylinder. This is the height. Height means what? EF. EF means what? You can write EF. Once you write EF, it will be better for you. And from here you can get 2 pi X. And what is EF? EF is equal to H into R minus X divided by what? R. Okay. Here very important is this thing is that H and R are fixed. Why it is fixed? Because it is given that a cone is fixed. A cone is fixed. On this cone, the height of the cone is H and radius of the base is R. This is fixed. And inside we draw cylinders. We can draw many cylinders. I am drawing this cylinder. If you point this point and that point, you will get a different cylinder. If you take this point and that one, you will get a different cylinder. That means inside this cone, you will draw many cylinders. And among all the cylinders, there is a one cylinder whose curved surface area is the greatest. And at that time, radius of the cone, radius of the cylinder is equal to half of the radius of the cone. That you are going to prove when the surface area is greatest. Okay. So in such cases, what happen? If cylinder will be different, then radius of the base OF will be different for different cylinder. And OF is equal to what? X. In such cases, X is the variable. That means this curved surface area is depending on what? Depending on what? X. Not in H, not in R, because H and R are constant quantity. So what we can write? Here you can write S is nothing but a function of X. Sx. And here 2 pi H divided by R taken together is a constant quantity. And what we will do? X multiply कर दूंगा Rx minus x square. X अंदर में जाएगा, होगा कि नहीं? Now to get maximum or minimum value, that is greatest means you are going to find maximum, so you have to derivative. So you have to find s dash x. 2 pi h is constant divided by r. It is a constant quantity. Now derivative of rx. R is a constant and x is a variable. So you have to derivative x. Derivative of x is equal to what? 1. Ddx of x is equal to what? 1. So r into 1 is r. And derivative of x square is what? Twice x. Okay. Also you need s double dash x and there and s double dash x. S double dash x is equal to what? 2 pi h divided by r into derivative of r is what? It is a constant 0 and derivative of twice x. Derivative of x is equal to what? What happened? Finally what happened? Minus 2 होगा. Minus 2 इसके minus 2 multiply होगा. You can minus 4 pi h divided by what? R. Okay. This is your second order derivative. Now to get a maximum or minimum or greatest value, what you have to do? The first derivative is equal to what? 0. So put first order derivative is equal to what? 0. First order derivative is what? Here first order derivative is s dash x for greatest curved surface what will happen? S dash x equal to 0. What is s dash x? This is, so from here you can write 2 pi h divided by r into r minus 2x equal to 0. So this is constant quantity. ये इधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? 0 हो जाएगी. Finally you will get r minus twice x equal to 0 and from here you are getting x equal to r by 2. Okay. After getting the critical point, this is the critical point. Okay. You have to check the second order derivative at this particular point. Now what is the second order derivative? The second order derivative is what? This one. Okay. So therefore L double dash x, x का value क्या है? r by 2 and which is nothing but it is independent of x, so it will remain same, minus 4 pi h divided by 2, divided by what? R, which is a negative quantity and therefore you can say s is maximum when that is x is equal to what? X is equal to r by 2. Ultimately what we get, the curved surface area is maximum, means here it is greatest. Curved surface area is greatest when the radius of the cylinder is equal to half of the radius of the cone. So if last line you have to write, last line अगर आप लिख ले, the curved surface area is maximum, curved surface area of the cylinder is maximum when radius of the cylinder is equal to half into radius of the cone. That particular sentence you have to write last, then the problem will be over. So I hope you understand. So most important part is draw the diagram and everything is clear from the diagram. Okay, everything is very clear from the diagram. Okay, so in this diagram what happened, you can draw many cylinders considering the different point in on the side. इसमें एक point ले, इसमें तो cylinder अलग होगा, इसमें point लीजिए, इसमें point लीजिए, cylinder अलग होगा. So for different cylinders what happen, there will be different curved surface and all the curved surface will be different, and finally among all this curved surface you get a greatest curved surface, and when the surface is greatest of the surface of the cylinder is greatest, in such cases radius of the cylinder is equal to what? Half of the रेडियस ऑफ द कोन होगा. दैट इज द डिमांड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन एंड वी ऑल्सो ऑलरेडी अचीव इट. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. Let us moving ahead with the next problem. Next problem of the class is, the question is show that the semi-vertical angle of the cone of maximum volume and of a given slant height is tan inverse 2. That means if the slant height of a cone is given, you are going to draw with fixed slant height of a different cone. Slant height fixed होगा, उस हिसाब से आप radius of the, suppose this is, you draw to the figure, you see this is the radius of the base, this is the height of the cone and this is the slant height. वो slant height क्या है, fixed रहेगा. उस हिसाब से बाकी r और h को हम क्या करेंगे, चेंज करते रहेंगे. Changing for different r and different h, but for fixed l we can draw many cone. And in such cases, if this theta is the semi-vertical angle, then what happen, semi-vertical angle will also change. Okay, and for this different type of there is cone you are going to draw. Among this cone, one cone is what is a cone with maximum volume, and when the volume of the cone become maximum, in such cases this theta becomes what, tan inverse root 2. You are going to prove that. इसको फिक्स्ड करके बाकी एच और आर को चेंज करेंगे, चेंज करके डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कोन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एमंग ऑल दिस कोन, वन कोन इज वन पर्टिकुलर कोन होज वॉल्यूम विल बी व्हाट, मैक्सिमम. इन सच केसेस द सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल थीटा बिकम्स व्हाट, tan inverse 2. You are going to prove that. Okay, here suppose let r be the radius of the base, always radius of the base, this is r, OC, radius of the base of the cone, and h be the height of the cone. We take these two, r and h are the radius of the base and h be the height of the cone with given slant height. Very important, given means what, it is fixed. Given slant height L is given fixed, and let theta be the semi vertical angle, and theta is always less than what, 90 degree, but greater than what, that is if you see this is the right angle triangle, this is 90 degree, right? तो ये थीटा क्या होगा, definitely it is an acute angle and therefore it is less than 90 degree. Okay, but greater than 0 degree. From figure you see, if you consider this is the right angle triangle OCA, from here you can get that is AC square equal to OC square plus OA square. That means L square equal to R square plus H square, Pythagoras law. And from here we are getting some calculations. R square is equal to what, L square minus H square. Okay, and if we suppose that B be the volume of the cone, and we know that what is the volume of a cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, now here r is a variable, h is a variable, so B can be converted into any one of the variable, either r or h. So here we are replacing r because this is little bit difficult, figure should be removed, so r square को उस टर्म से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. Ultimately what happen, b becomes the function of h हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so replacing r square from relation number 1, so therefore b equal to 1 by 3 pi h is there, pi h, and r square is replaced by L square minus h square. Okay, now b is a function of h. L is fixed, it is a constant quantity, it is not a variable. So here you can write better, you have to write bh. So b is a function of h. From here you can write one more line, pi by 3 if h included L square h minus h cube. Okay, now find first order derivative, b dash h, pi by 3 into L square is a constant. What is the derivative of h? Derivative of h is equal to what, 1 dd. I am deriving with respect to h, d dh of h is 1. Ultimately ये क्या होगा, L square and it will be 3 h square. Find the second order derivative. b double dash h. pi by 3 is constant, is multiplied. अंदर की चीज़ एल स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, 0 होगा, एंड इसका डेरिवेटिव -6h, और यू कैन राइट -6 pi h डिवाइडेड बाई 3, और अल्टीमेटली 3 कैंसिल हो गया, क्या होगा 2 pi h, -2 pi h. Okay, this is your second order derivative. Okay, now to get the critical point, what we will get, because maximum what is used, so for maximum volume b dash h equal to 0. What is b dash h? Is pi by 3 into L square minus 3h square equal to 0. This pi by 3 is a constant, इधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा, 0 हो जाएगी. So L square minus 3h square equal to 0, and from here you can get h equal to L by root 3. So this is the critical point. Now test the second order derivative. b double dash L by root 3, putting the value of h, you are getting, क्या वैल्यू होगा, -2 pi into L by root 3, which is a less than 0, which is what, less than 0. Therefore p is maximum when h equal to L by root 3. Okay, h is equal to what, L by root 3. Clear? Now what you are going to say, you have to find what theta. You have to find what theta. Now from the figure you see again, from the figure you see what is, this is your L, this is your H, okay, or R is given. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is what? Insist, if this is the theta, this is base for this triangle, and this is what? Perpendicular. So ultimately tan theta equal to R by H. This is your relation number 2. Okay, now 1 implies, 1 में क्या था, 1 में था L square is equal to R square plus H square. Okay, so from here you see, if you replace the value of L equal to root 3h in this particular equation, वहाँ में पुट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, हमारा रिलेशन R and H में आना चाहिए, तो L को रिमूव करो, तो L इक्वल टू रूट 3h, तो क्या होगा, 3h स्क्वायर होगा, R स्क्वायर प्लस H स्क्वायर. Okay, from here you get R square equal to 2h square, and from here you get R equal to root 2h. In this line you write, since from here you write L equal to root 3h. Clear everybody? And now 2 implies, go to the equation 2, you are to find theta. Therefore equation 2 implies tan theta equal to R can be replaced by what, root 2h. divided by h. So h cancel, implies tan theta equal to root 2 implies theta equal to what? Tan inverse root 2. Finally, what we get? When volume is maximum, semi-vertical angle is equal to what? This. The final statement you write, therefore volume of the cone is maximum when semi-vertical angle is equal to what? Tan inverse root 2. So in this way you solve the problem. I hope you understand. So moving ahead with the next problem for the next class, and there are more problems are there. I will prepare another video lecture in this particular topic to solve few more problems in this particular chapter. So thank you very much, and I hope you will watch my videos, and also I request everyone share the videos such that everybody get help from this video lectures, okay? Because in this pandemic situations, students community is one important community. It is called student community. They are facing very difficulties, okay? So it is our responsibility to help them. So we are creating videos by taking pain. So please share these videos, also subscribe it, such that we the teachers get motivated. Whoever the teachers are creating videos for you, so to motivate them, subscribe their videos as well as share their videos, okay? Thank you very much.